Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Today we have a special unboxing. Today we have a mini speaker. Now because I'm getting into the speaker section these days, I'm actually finding out that this speaker is the best when it comes to the small speakers compared to other speakers. Also, I'm gonna do a comparison later on, so stay tuned for that. For now, let's just unbox this big guy over here. This is let's take a look at the box. This is the Wonderboom. Of course, Wonderboom is a company, or the Ultimate Tiers is a company that is derived from Logitech, if you know Logitech, and they are good at speakers and sound. So let's take a look at this. It's IPX7, waterproof, and it has a 360 sound, which is really great. It's shock resistant or drop proof, which is I'm seeing videos online doing that, so it's crazy. It has also 10 hours of battery life, which is really great, and it has 2 years warranty. That's really good. Let's open up the box now. Let's see what's inside. Alright guys, so this is the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And let's open this guy over here. And now we are greeted by this this big guy over here. Wow, look at this. It's very hefty, very sturdy. This definitely can be used as a weapon. It looks nice. The strap over here. So let's put this aside and see what's inside here. The Ultimate Tiers. Press and pause. Press once and press twice for skipping. Power. Long press for Bluetooth. So nice instruction on the go right here. So this box seems really, it seems there's nothing inside here, but I'm sure there is something. So let's try to see. There is nothing here, but when we come to this area, we can, alright, see, I told you there's some stuff going on here. What about this area? Oh yeah, I told you there's some stuff. Paperwork. Now what's on the right side? Meh, nothing. Nothing on the right side. Let's put this guy over here. See what we have in this tiny thing over here. So it's really hard to open it. Let's try it this way. There's a yellow thing inside, which I actually assume it is the charging port. Yep, it's a yellow charging port, micro USB with a very unique one, and it seems like it's a rubber. So I'm not sure it's actually IP certified or something, but it's a rubber. So maybe it's good with the if you get some water going on here. So that, just don't go crazy with the cables. All right, stay away from water. Just don't charge it while you're actually on the water. So basically, so you don't die. And let's put this aside. See the bulky guy over here. It's beautiful. It says Ultimate Tiers. There's a power button over here. Whoa. That's a bassy push. Here there's nothing, just information, and yeah, that's it guys, nothing else. Yeah, there's a flop over here, forgot about the flop. So let's see if it's easily accessible. Yep, it is. And there is, what's inside is just the micro USB. So you just charge it with the micro USB and pair it with Bluetooth. That's it. No 3.5 millimeter. So you have to sacrifice this thing. And soon I'll actually compare this sound, this guy with this guy over here, the JBL Pulse 2. I know maybe the Pulse 2 is, maybe it's an overkill when it comes to the loudness, but we don't know yet. So we have to try it out and see who comes first between these two. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.